face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video I discovered an app which pays you to do short surveys online. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any step. But if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then this channel is for you. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So I'll keep this video short, but make sure you watch it to the end. The name of the application is called Survey on the Go. I know maybe a lot of you people have heard about this application and maybe wondering if they really pays or something like that. The answer is yes, they really pay, and they do pay. They just pay you to do short surveys and a lot of stuff. Be heard, get paid taking quick simple surveys on all kinds of topics right on your mobile device. Sign up for an account, download the app. I will leave the link to the app under the description, so make sure you check under the description to get the link. Then you download the application and start using. This is how it looks like after you've registered and log in. You'll be able to do all these surveys and you earn money. And the payout, the minimum payout is $10. So the moment you reach $10, you'll be able to cash it out. Then you start to have coffee or pay some bills. So how it works, let's watch the video and see how it works.
Make some cash? Want your opinion heard? We'll pay you for your opinions on all kinds of topics. Download the free Surveys on the Go app for your iPhone or Android. Answer a few quick questions to let us know more about you, and that's it. You're ready to make some money. Just take some surveys and get paid. It's easy and it's free. Download the free Surveys on the Go app right now.
So actually that's it. It's all that simple, and you can make some cool cash, then have coffee or pay some bills. It's easy. This app is really easy to use, and there's no complications or something like that. So let's go to the Play Store to check its rating, then we come back to the video. Okay, so actually this is Survey on the Go. As I said, I will leave the link to the app under the description, so you check it out, click on it, then it will direct you here, then you'll be able to download it. So we scroll down to check what people are saying or have to say about this app. Actually I have various cash gaining apps, ones with surveys and ones with games. I find this app the best of all, which is really good. Had an account and needed email updated to reflect corresponding paper email to transfer funds. They had done it, but I wasn't notified via emails. I blah blah blah. Wish I could see more of the payout history and survey histories list without having to click views or something like that. Blah blah blah. um, 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 mm, Completely legitimate and honest in what they say they will do. The best survey app I've ever used, which is cool. Got my first cash out today. Wasn't bad as 10 to 15. So at least you know something about this. I absolutely love this app. You see, so this app is really legit, and they really pays. They really pays. So this is the application. I've opened mine, and if there's surveys, you will see them here. I think I don't have survey at the moment, and you can click here to view your profile and many more. And So yeah, and when you earn points or your money, you can click here to see what you've accumulated so far or something like that. So I think my network is really bad. As I said, I'll keep these videos short, so I think I'll end here. Survey on the Go is really a legit app that pays, and they are still paying. So if you haven't checked it out, please kindly make sure you act. I'll leave the link to the app under the description, so make sure you check it out. I think I'll leave two links. The first one is for the people in Europe or something like that, and the second link will be for the people outside Europe, I mean United States and the other countries. If you want to use it, then you got to use a VPN and then click on the second link, and you'll be able to download it. But if you are in the United States, then please make sure you use the first link. Yeah, so I will end here. Thank you for watching this video. If you loved it, make sure you hit on the like button, you comment, then after that you share. But if you're new to this channel, interested in making money online and learn as well, then this channel is for you. As I said earlier, kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Thank you once again for coming back to the channel, and hope to see you next time in my next video. My name is Nana Yao. Hope to see you again.
MDK.
Bye.
Awada. Face, tell me that you love me.